Good Monday morning, all. It's about almost 8 on a Monday morning. Happy New Week, all. What's going on there? Aye. For some reason, my cough has improved in the last couple of days. I gotta watch. I don't know what it is. Anyway, yes. The British media are a load of crap, a load of wank. Wank. Like what they're saying now, it's the Tory media, basically. And the latest line put out is, we're going to have the wrong sort of rain. Wrong sort of rain? What genius thought that up? Rain is rain. It's not a right sort of rain, not a wrong sort of rain. It rains, it either rains or it doesn't rain. I'm telling this fucking country's gone bollocks, man. Nuts, man. Yeah, well, it's been nuts for decades. It's living in some sort of fantasy of unicorns, as they say, and the far end of the rainbow, and all the rest of the bollocks. We talk about fucking stupid does what stupid does. Stupid do what stupid does, whichever way around that goes. And just fucking, one will always be one any day. Rain will always be rain any day. There's no sort of wrong sort of rain. Fuck you. Eh? Well, I suppose they mean like it's going to be raining because the bloody ground is bone dry. It'll be like falling on concrete, so it won't be taking it in. It'll go whoosh down the valleys, past Tom Jones's house, past Shirley Bassey's house, into people's houses and things like that. I suppose that's what they mean by wrong sort of rain. Fuck's sakes, it either rains or it doesn't rain, isn't it? Wrong sort of rain. Anyway, I've been told. I went to visit a friend yesterday. Lovely fella. He's feeling better, thankfully. Well, a little better, Much improved from last time. When I went to see him a few weeks ago, he was struggling a bit, and I just told him, chin up. Well, not chin up, and just, Well, one thing I told him is, in, summer now, he's got a lovely garden. I said, stay as much as possible out in the back garden, and just be in the fresh air, breathe in the fresh air, don't stay inside all the time type thing. Because that's how it is with me. A lot of, people like me, for instance, we're not invented to be inside houses. Houses was an earthiest thing. I need to go camping more, really, I suppose. I got a tent and I went camping once, and that's all I had was a poncho, or a bivvy. That's all it is. It's just a bloody what you call it, sheet. Oh Christ, my memory. It's calico. No, not calico. Or something something similar. And a few bungees and things like that, and bits of strings and things like that. And just bungee, and it's just basically a cover. You can sleep underneath it. to keep the rain off, basically, and the sun. It's all open on the side, so you get plenty of fresh air. And you wake up in the morning, oh, lovely. You don't need a bloody mattress, man. You sleep on the floor, man. It's good for your back. People with dodgy backs have been sleeping on mattresses too much. It's good and healthy to sleep on a like a firm floor. Firm floor. That's, look. I'll tell you one thing. When I went for a walk the other day and I was looking for somewhere to jump over the edge, I said, oh, no, I'm not going to get over that. And then I walked under this tree branch, solid tree branch, and I caught my bloody collarbone right there. Still sore. 3 days later. When was it? Friday, was it? Or was it Thursday? Jesus Christ, I really did knock away. I got these bloody collarbones. Ends of my collarbones stick up, see. Strange it is. I give it when I bang. Oh, shite. Oh my God, 6.5 minutes. Oh, for God's sake, Hugh, what the fucking hell are you yapping on about? What was it the other day? On Friday? No, so that was Thursday, definitely. On Friday, outside the chip shop, the residents from the local care home were there, and one fellow was playing up Alzheimer's, and obviously he was playing up bad, and they couldn't get him into the into the minibus. I said, oh, well, let's see if I can help out. I said, because before I joined the RAF, I worked for a couple of years in a psychiatric hospital as a porter, and met many such types. And this is going way back now. Well, before I joined the RAF, so I came over. Oh, hello, hello, how are you? And put my hand out, and he shook my hand. Yeah. Oh yeah. How you doing? And where you living now? And he said Cardiff. He's not living in Cardiff. He's living in bloody Croissants. Obviously, you're used to living in Croissants, and that's how Alzheimer's works. They always go back 50 years in their mind. And poor old boy, how old do you think? Small, thin guy. Obviously, was very intelligent once. But he looked around about 80 and 75, 80 mark type thing. I said, oh, Cardiff, do you bump into Barry John now and then, a rugby player? And he turned around, oh, Barry John. So, are you going on this minibus then? I said, no, well, he did sort of calm down because I could see him bloody arms are going all over the place before I came along. And anyway, so his care worker young fella, he took him down for a walk on the road. So at that time, I went to the shop, I came out, and there was a girl in the crisp and fry helping out to try and calm him down and etc. And I called in, well, the minibus was gone, so I called in and said, managed to get him on the bus, and eventually then, yeah. And then this girl in the shop, in this fish and chip shop, she said, I went through it with my mother. And I said, yeah, well, similar with me, with my father, I said. But he didn't have Alzheimer's yet, just had a major stroke. And he reverted back to talking about things when he was 7, 8, 9, 7 years ago, 8 years ago. Well, 7. And yeah, oh yeah, yeah. You know, it's always left to someone to look after you. Whatever. But my father was so brain damaged after his stroke. You know, the doctors said it's a care home job. You know, really care home job because he was, you know, bed bound and everything. Had to be spoon fed. I could never, ever in a month, a century of Sundays, a millennium of Sundays, looked after him. No chance whatsoever. It would have destroyed me. It would have fucking killed me myself. So this is what you got to do. You got to leave it to the experts. And they looked after him wonderful. Down in oh shit, can't remember the name of the place now. 24-hour nursing care home in Valley. Yeah, Phil got to know. Phil Bennett, you know, he got to know that he used to visit it. He used to visit the residence there now and again. Well, there was, you know, a couple of people he knew that were in there. So opposite the school in Valley, Christ, I've forgotten the bloody name of it. Fuck's sake, who? My memory's going, I'm telling you. Yeah, I'm eternally grateful to that place. Yeah, it's opposite the secondary school in between the main village of Valley to the hospital. It's Prince Philip Hospital, halfway along. You look at it. It used to be a convent. Yeah, part of the place. Still part of the convent. You can see the walls and everything. Yeah, but mm, mm, bloody expensive though. Yeah, fuck you know, it's about 50 grand a year. And I was sorting all that out. Finding for 50 grand a year. Was it 50? I can't remember. It's quite a whack every 3 months. I sorted it all out. Yeah, yeah. I used to go and see him a couple of times a week at the start, but then I became ill. You know, just stress and everything. I had to stop going to see him. I used to just phone the administrator there and, uh, and then she'd get the nurse, one of the nurses, to phone me back, see, you know, how was he doing, because my father was gone. Go there, and he didn't know you. He didn't know you. It was like that for the first 10 minutes, just like that. That's, you know, it fucking creeps you out, man. You know, he didn't know who the hell I was. Yeah, so I had to stop. Well, I used to go now and then to see him, but not very often because it was too much too much. Oh, yeah, here we are. Oh, another 14. All right. I've got a week now. So today we're having the wrong sort of rain, according to the Tory press, Tory English London press. We are having the wrong sort of rain. Huh? Fucking, you know, and they put out any load of bollocks, don't they, just to fill the newspapers up. You know, they say that, you know, editor, Daily Mail, right, the line today is, we're on the wrong sort of rain. Ding! Oh, God's sake. Right, 15 minutes. Right, have a good week. Don't forget your brolly, etc. And over and out.